So here we are at the Rakhi's desk. Hi Rakhi, how are you? And how do you feel after this event?
इवेंट वॉज अ ग्रैंड सक्सेस डेफिनेटली एंड मेहनत भी लगी है 5 डेज से मेहनत है क्रिएटिविटी भी बहुत सोची गई थी प्लान चार्ट आउट किया गया बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिलीट की बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐड की एंड व्हाट एल्स
And what about the masti that we did while doing all this stuff?
दैट वाज आई मीन इट वाज अ फन एक्टिविटी टाइप 5:30 6:30 के बाद कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में धमाल होता था
और जो हमने जो पूरा कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम का हम लोगों ने बना दिया था एकदम जंकयार्ड
वेयर हाउस टाइप्स हो गया था बट एकदम सब कुछ सही से निकल आया एवरीथिंग
Move towards the Monica and she's already saying hi to hello to everyone. Hi Monica. Okay, so hi, Monica, how do you feel after this whole preparation, your whole efforts, and finally the efforts are coming out with flying colors?
It is whole team effort and it is very good, it is very nice, and Jayan's speech was very good.
Move towards Namrata, that what she's doing. Hey Namrata, hello, and we will definitely like to hear from you that how do you feel after this full event
I
has
felt like
been finished?
I'm a part of such a great team, such a good team. And actually, I really liked the demonstration. I liked the demonstration given by Jayan sir. It just was a masterpiece delivered by him. I really
And how
loved
did
the
that
And-
was-
and-
he
and
was
how do-
listening
how
to
and
the
would
I
you
really want to thank all of the people that those all involved in this beautiful event. I will never forget this. Thanks.
You're
And
welcome.
what do you want to tell about the things you said that you will do and you have not done it?
No, actually, it was not. It was
Yes,
not just
you should
because-
definitely say something about
I
it.
just- Yes, I should. That I know.
So let's move to the move our next volunteer. Hi Priya,
Hello.
seems to be busy
Yes, थोड़ा
and
सा काम कर रहे हैं।
she is the lady of the commerce today. And
ये hostess मैडम
आप खड़े होकर दिखाना चाहें तो कर सकते हो. हाँ,
एयर इंडिया वेलकम
ये देखो आज इसने सुबह तैयार होने के लिए ये कल रात से ही तैयार होना शुरू हो गई थी तब जाके सुबह तक तैयार होके निकली घर से आज. हाँ, हाँ तो अब आंटी आप बताना चाहेंगी सॉरी प्रिया आप बताना चाहेंगी कि आप सॉरी कोई मजाक नहीं बोलेगा.
कंट्रीब्यूट किया
हाँ.
इस पूरे इवेंट के
हाँ,
लिए
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैंने थोड़ी सी झाड़ा पूछी करके और थोड़ा सा टेप चिपका के थोड़ी सी दुपट्टे करके और इसकी गंदी गंदी बातें सुन के राखी की कि ऐसे नहीं ऐसे वैसे नहीं वैसे वो सब ज्ञान सुन के और
सीख ली
और नम्रता के नोचने वाले सी निशान भी हैं यहाँ पर. ये निशान पे गौर किया जाए जो नम्रता मुझे मारती है. चलो
So do you want to say anything about this your whole experience about
आई
this
एम
event?
एक्चुअली लविंग इट. इसमें हमारी टीम स्पिरिट ज्यादा से दोबारा से जाग जाती है. सो आई जस्ट लाइक इट
And Umayat
और
has
आई
really
वांट टू
cooked
विश
him.
हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल माय टीम मेंबर्स. और
let's meet our
द क्रिएटिव हेड
the creative head which is not you can see the creativity you can see the creativity, the whole idea, the think tank, our think tank for this event. So Amit, what do you have to say about this whole event? How do you feel when the day when we started, when we thought of whether we would be able to finish it or not?
बस करो भारी हो रहा है।
हाँ तो आप बताइए क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप?
हम यही कहना चाहते हैं कि जो सोचा था तब ये नहीं लग रहा था कि ये जो प्लान है हमारा एक्सक्यूट हो भी पाएगा या नहीं.
इनफैक्ट मैं सोच सोच के एक लकड़ी का पूरा ये खा गया था
खा गया हमें पूरा एक. उसके बाद द ग्रेट एफर्ट ऑफ द टीम फाइनली वी डिड इट.
मेरा नाम ले सकते
यस.
And yes, we have already met her. No, she has already refused that she will not say anything, so we will not cover her.
इन्हीं को भैया तो मेरे को तो थैंक यू. थैंक्स टू द गौरी.
Thank you, Gauri. So Gauri, we would definitely like to hear from you as well because you are the one of the core members who put in your effort effortlessly. The kind of efforts that you put in for creating all our pillars that are looking so beautifully. So what do you have to say about it?
I think the idea was very good and it has come out also very, very nicely. And thanks to all for involving me.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, Gauri. Okay, so let's our next person he is the person who is always ready to go to the market and purchase the things at runtime. he has really helped us a lot. And Bharat, what do you want to say about it? The whole experience.
The whole experience was very, very good. I'm a new journey to this team, and I think that my team is very, very creative.
और ये है हमारे मास्टर ब्लास्टर पीयूष जोशी।
क्वेश्चन जो सबसे पूछते हुए आ रहे हैं।
पीयूष जोशी, मैं पीयूष जोशी से बात करवाने से पहले आपको दिखा दूं इनकी क्रिएटिविटी का एक नमूना जो इन्होंने बनाया है। यू कैन सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ योरसेल्फ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुली क्रिएटेड पैलेस। कैन यू सी इट? कैन यू सी द एफर्ट्स which has been put in? This whole palace has been created using the thermocol. Okay, so let's move towards the Piyush.
I want to ask what is my experience.
No, I'm not going to ask your experience.
Okay.
I just want to ask that how do you feel after your all efforts, when you put in all your efforts and you created a very beautiful palace, and when it came out so beautifully that you didn't even think of.
Actually, it was not only my effort. Prince really helped me a lot.
Yes,
and I should say that I am really very happy. The way the people responded was really amazing.
Amazing.
So it's really very good.
Okay. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Okay, so let's meet our narrator. And hello, Ajay. We would definitely like to hear from you. How do you feel about this whole event?
I feel so nice, so proud about the way we have actually come out, in this event, the way we have actually worked as a team and produced such a fabulous, magnificent, absolutely fantastic output that we have produced. It is very, very nice, and special thanks and kudos to the people who actually conceptualized this thing and worked so hard. I understand some guys were sitting, working over it till 11:30 in the night.
Right.
So it is really commendable.
Right.
And fabulous job done.
Thank you, Jan.
I think we should ask same question.
Yes.
To Ashish.
Hi, mine, and this is my turn to share my experience for this event. And I just want to thank my core team members who started this concept and who had belief in themselves, in ourselves, and who thought that we can do it, and yes, we can do it, and yes, we have done it. Thank you very much. So here is the Richa. So Richa, moving towards you. How do you feel about this whole event?
I'm feeling very good. Actually, I'm feeling very happy to lead this team. टीम वर्क इतना ज़्यादा है ना, हमने सबने मिलके काम किया है and it feels very nice and good. Seriously.
मजा आ गया?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay, so इस सब के बाद in the last, here we are with our manager, without whom permission this whole event could not have been successful. Sir, with your creative ideas, you have put in your lot of effort in making this event a successful. What do you have to say about all this event?
I think it is a great, and the conceptualization, the concept, the execution, the teamwork, everything was great. And overall, I think everybody has shown a great dedication, teamwork, and I think it's wonderful, and everybody enjoyed it. And overall, we got the first prize.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi.
So Rajesh, we would definitely like to hear from you that how do you feel after this such a fantastic applause from everyone for your efforts, whatever you have put in to make this event a successful.
Yeah, it was a very nice experience with me, and I will remember this for my lifetime.
Definitely.
And we have worked very hard for it, and all our owner team has worked very, very hard for this one, and I hope we'll get the first prize.
Definitely, we believe that. Okay. Thank you so much, Rajesh.
Thank you.